Alright, so this down here is a left foot accelerator. We do see these often for amputees, stroke victims. It is pretty popular. Now, this actually carries the highest liability with it because most accidents with adaptive equipment are with left foot accelerators because it's the most difficult to learn how to use. You're basically retraining your brain to drive with a different side of your body. So you have to retrain your brain to drive with your left foot as opposed to your right foot, and it's the most confusing. Because of that, Right Away stopped installing these for a while. And what happened was every other mobility dealer kind of followed suit and stopped installing them. And then it became that nobody could get one of these installed anywhere. So we started installing them again, but it is a higher cost.
Because of the insurance.
Because of the insurance.
Yeah.
Yeah, correct.
Could you comment about spinner knobs?
Yep. Spinner knobs are very common once somebody's driving with hand controls, because when you drive with a hand control, you now have one hand that's always dedicated to the gas and the brake. So that means you're only left with one hand left to steer. It can be very hard to just try steering like that with one hand. So spinner knob makes it easier. You don't have to let go of the wheel at all. You just hold it and you can steer with one hand very easily while the other hand is applying gas or brake.
Okay. Are there any hand controls, like if you were to rent a vehicle, that you could just check out a set of hand controls to attach to a rental car?
We don't recommend those because they're not really installed to the vehicle securely. You can go and rent a vehicle and have them put hand controls in it, but we don't recommend it.